watch very carefully, you can see them all marching into the box. Well, some of them are waving their wings to blow the scent. And this is the tree here, right at the base. But they're all slowly working their way down now, and all fighting to get into the box. Right there. Hello. So today we caught this swarm. Found it on one of our trees. We kind of brushed it in this box. We'll see. We hope we've got a queen in there. Not sure yet. We've got an empty hive that we're gonna install these bees into. What we have to do, we have to loosen the bees. I'll do that in a second by shaking it. But what you notice is that I've taken the top bars out. And I'm going to knock the bees down, and I'm going to shake them into the top box, down on the bars of the bottom box. And then I'm going to replace everything, lock it up, and hopefully it all works. Just knock it a couple times. And just dump them down in there. And you might want to get back, sweetheart. But I pretty much knocked all of them down in there. Now, I'll start putting back frames.
They're angry.
Why? Because he just dumped them in there?
Yeah. He shook up the box to loosen them, and then he dumped them in them. Now he's putting the top bars back.
Screen, quilt, roof, now we still have some bees left down in here, a handful of them, and if we're lucky enough, these bees will say this is home. You'll have some that'll move down to the entrance, and they'll start flapping their wings, spread around the scent, and say, hey guys, come on in. This is where we're going to live from now on. So what I'm going to have to do is set this box here so the bees can come out. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and knock them again. Box here, give them a bridge. And a little bridge that they can come over the hive from. And let me see this. And carefully. See, we've got some of them starting to fan. That guy actually is kind of blurry, so I don't know why it's blurry. That guy right there is fanning. The other guy's starting to fan. To let them know, come home. That's it.